The scene opens in Henry Cluttered garage, where a futuristic-looking robot named Sozo stands motionless, wires and circuits exposed.
Oh no! Ella Sozo's malfunctioned again. We can't let anything happen to him.
Don't worry, Henry. We fixed him before, and we'll do it again. We just need to figure out what's wrong.
Henry and Ella gather around Sozo, examining his wiring and components.
Let's start by checking his central processing unit. It might be a software issue.
Hello, thank you for fixing me. I am okay. My problem is, solve, my voice is clear and I easily move. My memory is fully boost for update my software.
We couldn't let anything happen to you, Sozo. You're like family.
And family always looks out for each other.
They exchange a group hug with Sozo, celebrating their successful rescue mission.